this video, I'll show you how to find Gmail address of a YouTube channel. Firstly, go to YouTube and search for the channel you're interested in. Click on the channel, then navigate to the About section. Look under Details for a business inquiry email address. If an email is provided, you will see a View Email Address button. Click it. You may need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify you are not a robot. After verification, the email address will be displayed and you can contact the channel owner for business opportunities or for collaborations, etc., wherever you want to do with that address. So all you have to do is go to the channel, click on the About section, resolve the CAPTCHA, and then you will see the email address of that channel. Thank you guys for watching. Just know that all channels provide their email address publicly. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.